Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do the pink drink, what everybody wants from Starbucks. Well, it seems like that anyway. But my forte is sweet cream cold brew. You know that already. I made that over a year ago. Well, not quite a year ago, but almost a year ago. And that one has over 24,000 views. So let's try the pink drink. Here we go. All right, I normally keep my Starbucks cups and I wash them and I just put ice in them to refreshen my drink when I wanna do another drink. All right, so here is what you're gonna do. You're gonna take 6 ounces of this Ocean Spray Cran Strawberry drink. Now, this is not diet, this is the regular, and this is about $3. So what I'm gonna do is, I have this little measuring cup right here, and I'm gonna do like 6 ounces of this because I have the tall cup, so I can't really do too much. So if you're gonna do a grande or if you're gonna do a venti, do double and triple this recipe. So let's try it. All right, so 6 ounces, and this little cup only goes up to 5. So I'm gonna do 5 ounces first, and then I'm gonna add another ounce. See how it gets to be really high in the tall cup. That's why I said if you're gonna do a grande or a venti, definitely double and then triple. Oops, put way too much. Double and triple the recipe so that you can fill up your cup as much as possible. All right, so here is 6 ounces of the cran strawberry. And now you're gonna do the Silk coconut milk, and you're gonna do 2 ounces. So let's see the ounces, where are you? Okay, right here. And this is also almost $3. It's $2.78 for this and $2.78 for this. Really weird, but that's how much it costs. So you got $6 and you can make like a crap ton of them instead of going to spend however much it costs for one. So you're gonna do 2 ounces versus your 6 ounces of cranberry. And then if you don't have dehydrated strawberries, like no one does, I don't have dehydrated strawberries just laying around to add to my pink drink. So what I like to do is I like to add frozen strawberries just to give it a little, you know, a little prettiness to the cup. So instead of your dehydrated strawberries, just grab a couple of frozen strawberries. I just grabbed a chunk and then added it to the cup. And that way it actually keeps your drink cooler for longer instead of having to put so much ice in it. I did ask a Starbucks employee the other day if they added water to the pink drink, and they said they used to, and that used to be their recipe, but it's not anymore. So here you go. Here's the pink drink, and then with the added fruit, as you can see it just floating around in here. Let's try it and see how it is. Quite delicious and refreshing. So if you want your pink drink and you want it for a fraction of the price and you want to make a whole bunch of them, here you go. The cran strawberry and the Silk coconut unsweet milk. Don't forget to make it unsweet because this is already sweet. Like I said, this is not a diet one. I'm sure you can buy the diet one and it will be less sugars. I think this one's 26 grams of sugar for 8 fluid ounces. So it's kind of high if you're a diabetic and you want to get the diet one. Go ahead. I'm not really sure how it's going to taste. It might taste a little different being that Starbucks does not use this, they use tea. So other than the fact that you're not gonna get it in a tea format, it's gonna be in a juice format. So you're not gonna get the caffeine in it. That will be your only difference. But other than that, here's your pink drink, enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you wanna see more videos like this. Bye.